Hey guys, so today we're just going to do a quick product demonstration with our 16 litre backpack sprayer. Once you get it out of the box, you will have the whole unit like this. Please note, inside the unit you will have all your extras, so you just need to remove the filter. Inside will be all your straps and all the extra pieces that may not be in the box at first. Once you've got it in, the power cord inside the unit, plug it in, get it turned on, fill it up with water. On the side of the unit, you've got your on-off switch, just flick it into on. If it's not running at first, you can adjust the pressure with the silver knob. Just make sure it's turned all the way to the right, and you will hear it get louder because it has pushed through more pressure. If at first it's still not pumping water, don't worry. All you need to do is pop the lid back on, give it a really hard shake for a few minutes, and you will feel that water start to come through. It's just got to push all that air out of the pump and you're good to go. Thanks guys.